Hello, this is Jimmy, and welcome back to MiniGameMaker. This is week 8 of my weekly update series, and this week I have added, yet again, a few cool new features into the game. Firstly, I'll start with this tank. Now, I'll say right off the start, I'm not a big fan of this tank. I'm probably going to be removing it from the game, but because I added it, I figured I'd show it off in this video. So, right now, you'll see that this tank is not attacking me or anything. That's because I'm in the editor. But if I switch to test mode right here, it'll continue to play its idle animation until it locks its sights on me. When he sees me, he'll start attacking me. And if I cut off his line of sight, so these walls I can see through, but he cannot, he'll continue to track me. He just won't shoot at me until he loses interest. So what happens is, if I block off his line of sight for long enough, he'll kind of forget that I exist and he'll return to his idle animation until he sees me again, at which point he'll continue attacking me. So that's how he works. I'm not a big fan of how he works. I'd need to do a whole lot of editing to his AI to make him a little bit smarter. But like I said, I'm probably not going to be keeping him in the game. I wasn't a big fan of that addition. So let's move on to some of the more interesting things. Firstly, you'll see that I changed the texture of the wire, the materials of the wire, so it's a lot brighter now. I like it a lot more. I've also added this, and what this is a piece of wire that can be picked up and moved, which is pretty cool for customization, and you can add like a whole lot of puzzle mechanics into it, connecting wires to allow signals to pass through. So as you can see, it also works with multiple colors. It connects all the colors. And if I were to place it right here, it'll unlock the AND gate and turn on that signal. So that's a pretty cool new addition. I've also added this over here, and what this is it's a conduit. It allows signal to pass straight through walls, so that I no longer have to wrap wires around walls to get them to function, and I don't have to build around the wire so that I don't disrupt the wire or anything like that. It's a lot easier now, so I can run wire straight through the wall like that. So I thought that was pretty neat. And now one of the coolest features I've added this week is a sign. So everything that I type on this sign will be projected as a hologram. If I can spell hologram right. As a hologram. Like so. And it'll follow you around wherever you're at. So you'll always see the text that's written on it. And I can go in. I can go in and I can edit the text. There we go. I can edit the text like that. I can delete all of it if I want. I can edit it as much as I want, anytime I want, and it'll still work, unless I am in test mode, in which case I cannot edit the sign. So that's just a way to deliver messages to the people playing your map, and it also comes in different colors. So if I want a red one, you'll see I have red highlighted right now. I can place down a red sign, and that'll work too. I've thought about maybe even adding in a wire input, so these things can contain hidden messages, so that if you run wire into it, it'll display the message and maybe give you a secret code or something like that, or a hint on how to solve the puzzle. I thought that'd be a pretty cool idea. So let me know what you guys think of these new additions to the game, and if you want me to tweak the AI of this tank and actually keep it in the game. Right now it's not looking likely. I'm not a big fan of it. But if you guys did enjoy this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and goodbye.